My name is Puppy Grylls. You may have heard of my brother Bear, who has crossed the frozen oceans of Antarctica, climbed the summit of Mount Everest, and other things bored ex-British special forces do with their time. But I'm doing something much more life-threatening. I'm going into the city. Having the right survival skills can mean the difference between acceptance and rejection. You've got whatever it takes, hold your nerve. With every failure, I can only see shortcomings in myself that can only be fixed. I'm married to adventure, and danger is my girl on the side. I'm going to show you how to survive here. Hi, I'm Puppy Grylls, and I'm here in my home to show you what it's going to take to survive going green. To be green, you shouldn't wear anything that's made out of synthetic fibers, as it is bad for the earth. As you can see, I don't have a poncho made of hemp right now, but I do have this lovely sweater that I naturally knitted while I was in the Boy Scouts of America. I knitted it from all natural fibers, by a campfire, in the woods. We were out there for 3 long days, knitting, fishing, making pine wood derby cars. From when we sewed our first stitch to when we knitted our last notch. We made it those 3 days. We made it. We made it. Even though the sweater is very itchy, it's well worth it. Now, I will show you how to turn the sweater into a poncho fit for any greenster. It's very hot in this kitchen. And the one way to keep yourself hydrated is to find some water. Now, before I find the water, you have to note that cutting this material will be very difficult if it's wet, so we must take it off first. Now what I have here is something that you can find almost at any convenience store or supermarket. It's what we call water. Now this particular water has 2 hydrogens for every oxygen. Very cold. What that did for me is get me ready and prepared to cut anything I need to cut. Whether that be a poncho or a piece of paper. Now what I'm going to be showing you now is how to make a poncho out of the sweater I was wearing. We're going to cut a straight seam from here to here, and then from there to there. Your cut off parts here can be used for various things. Use it as a lovely arm warmer, or a dish towel, or a hanky. Now out of this lovely piece right here, we have a quite festive hat. Now you could take the other side and sew it together, and it would be a lovely addition to this poncho for a winter wear. Now friends, it's time to try on our new poncho. Oh, I could feel nature calling me. I have to go.